Quilters, if you've ever been shamed by the quilt police or dismissed by strangers or someone who's told you you're too young to be a quilter, message me with your stories. Hi everyone, I'm Mary from Joyful and Mary Quilting, and before I begin, I just wanted to give a shout out to Melanie of @JustBeingMelanie, M-E-L-A-N-I. Melanie, I'm a quilter of 30 plus years, and I am here to formally request permission to open an official Quilters branch of your amazing I Do Not Care Club. Because let's face it, quilters, especially those of us really in our prime, are often overlooked, dismissed, or told we're part of some outdated, fading away old lady hobby. And in keeping with the vision of the I Don't Care Club, I really just have to say, I don't care. So let's get started. First of all, to all of our quilters out there or quilting wannabes, welcome to our first meeting of the quilting chapter of the I Don't Care Club. In true club fashion, first of all, I proudly present our official name tag. The link to the pattern is in the description below. Here's the pattern. Let's get started with 10 announcements, and there's going to be a bonus announcement in the end. Number 1. I have 5 irons. Yes, 5. They all work. I use them all. And you know what? I might even buy a 6th. You think that's excessive? You think that's unnecessary? You think that's a bit ridiculous? Repeat after me. I don't care. Number 2, rotary cutters. I have a few rotary cutters. Well, I have more than a few. Actually, I just bought a new one in case any of these wear out and I need another one. Do I need them all? Well, absolutely. Why, you ask? Because. You think 1 or 2 is plenty? Well, that's nice, but you know what? I don't care. Number 3, I bought another ruler this week. That brings my total to somewhere between 100 and, don't judge me. You think 59 is more than enough? Oh, that's really cute, but you know what? Let me remind you, I really don't care. Number 4, I don't pre-wash my fabrics. I do test them, but I do not do a full pre-wash. Now, if you think that knocks me down a notch in the best quilter ever Olympics, newsflash, I don't care. Number 5, I went out to lunch with 8 threads on my dark shirt. You saw them, I didn't. Lunch was still delicious. You know what? I didn't care. I still don't care. Number 6, I made a king-size quilt, and yes, 1 half-square triangle is flipped. You pointed it out to me to be helpful. Will I unquilt it, rip out the piece, flip it, repiece it, and requilt it? Absolutely not. Why? Because I don't care. Number 7, I use my sewing machine to attach my binding. Now, I usually do hand sew, but you know what? Sometimes I don't. Now, some of you may think that's not real quilting, but I think you might be a little confused, and you know what? I still don't care. Number 8, I love foundation piecing. I foundation pieced the quilt behind me. I foundation pieced this pineapple block. What? You hate it? You hate me because I love it? You know, you might want to sit down for this one because I really don't care. Number 9, I quilt on a long arm sewing machine. Yes, I've hand quilted before. Yes, I love and respect the hand quilting tradition, but I love my long arm. And you know what? If that offends you, I'll be long arming while not caring. And here's my bonus announcement. If you watch my YouTube videos and you really feel the need to comment, you don't like my voice, you don't like my head tilt, you don't like my face, you don't like my nose, you don't like my sewing room, you don't like my dog, you don't like my fabric or my tips or my ruler collection, wow, that is a whole lot of energy. And guess what? I don't care. Well, actually I do care a little bit because my little dog is really adorable. So Melanie, what do you say? Can we make it official? Quilters, if you've ever been shamed by the quilt police or dismissed by strangers or corrected by cousins who can't thread a bobbin or someone who's told you you're too young to be a quilter, message me with your stories. Message me with your doubts. Ask me, is this okay? I'll proudly respond on behalf of the Quilters Who Do Not Care Club with a full heart, a sharp rotary cutter, and a comfortable shirt with thread on it. You're doing great. And you know what? You don't need to care. And that's it. I'm always trying to be joyful, but I will always be merry. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for joining our club.